Look who's back. John Pun's back here to work again. And Mix, the crew is back. The big boss is here today too. He's going to direct everything. He's going to get everything straight. Okay, the walls in the shower room are all done now. So the downstairs Thai style bathroom is finished except for the floors, and put the toilets in, shower, and etc. Today we started with the roof in the car park area. That'll help in all the rains we've been getting. This is a view of the roof from the top. They've just started putting it on. Took them a little while to figure out the layout. The roof is coming together. They're finishing the last row now, going up underneath. That one oddball is sticking out differently, still needs to be fitted right. So it's looking good. They still have to put the pieces on the sides and the end, but it looks a lot nicer now. Oh no, the rain's coming. They didn't quite get done. They're running. They're running. Doggone it. Getting a look at the roof on the car park from the third floor area. Looking a lot better now. Okay, the rain quit, so the team is back at working on the roof. Looks like we're going to get it finished today after all. It's looking really good. The roof is looking really good. It matches our trim that we've chosen, so everything is coming together. I'm liking it. They're installing the side caps on the new roof now. This roof was 3 times more expensive than the basic roofs would be. This is ceramic coated metal, and they're having to figure things out as they go. This is literally I'm the first person to buy this product in Serene. My contractor said he wouldn't recommend this to anybody again. It's too hard to install. So more costly to install it and 3 times more costly to buy it. Started doing the tile in our bedroom now. Bedroom tile still moving on. He's doing the level with the grout, or not the grout, the mortar as he goes. And he's sliding a big steel straight edge over there on the wall. Slides it across to make sure everything's level and it's not catching lips. Doing a good job. Today they're disconnecting everything from the tank and the old pump upstairs, 3rd floor deck. And they're going to be removing them down below. Make room for the new tank and pump that'll be coming in.
กันเลนไอ้นี่304แท้เลยไม่จับเพิ่มไปถ้ามีแข็งก็ค่อยๆหย่อนลงไปเข้าหัวไอ้คนข้างล่าง องอยู่กลางรูอ่ะ
อยู่กลางรูเลย
อยู่กลางรูแล้วจับสองด้านอ่ะ
เดี๋ยวพี่จะครอบไว้
ไม่จิบมันต้องขึ้นไปลงเลยครับปล่อยได้ปล่อยเลยเชือกผมจะไปด้วย
นอนลงเลยนอนลง
รับล่าง
นอนถังแล้วไม่ใช่คนนอน
เอาเชือกฟาด
Well, that's one level. This tank has been up here on the 3rd floor for, I don't know, 40 plus years, and it's never had any kind of filtration on it, so I just wanted to change everything, have all fresh, new, clean source of water. So we also have to remove the tank that's down on the bottom floor also. See, all the roofing is complete on the car park area. The side trim is on both sides now. It's looking good. The old septic tank is right here underneath, but we've decided to change it out as well. Put a new one in. We had it pumped. Everything seemed to be okay, but we're just not going to gamble. Just put a new one and be done now. Looking good in here now. He's got down to a couple pieces on the side over there, and the front part here coming to the doorway. Doing a good job. Looks really nice. The straight edge there tells you it's nice and flat. Now that the roofing is all complete on everything, we have a couple of back-ordered pieces, the one that seals against the house, but it's under a big ledge, so it doesn't leak there anyhow. And he's finishing the repair on the wall. And the part above all this that's open, we've finally made a final decision. It's going to be clear louvered material, so we'll get a lot of light in here, and it'll also deflect the water away. So Jai's outdoor kitchen will have a lot of breathing, and they're going to redo all the flooring here. Okay, the grout is in now, and they're cleaning. Looks really nice. I'm pleased. Fun. That's going to look really nice. We'll be able to bring our furniture in for this room now. He actually says he's going to start next in the big room here. So that'll be nice to see tile going in this. This is kind of the ugly eyesore right now. On this side, they're digging out the septic tank by hand. Can't really get any machinery in here, so they're digging it out by hand. Then they're going to redo the new one. These guys work so hard. Every day. The new electric pole is painted now. It's going to be a big task, but this whole exterior wall is going to be painted as well. But it's going to get done after everything is done with the house. No reason to spend the extra expense on it right now. Get the house finished and then we'll do the outside wall. It's got to be painted inside and out. Looks like the painting on the outside bathroom is done now. Just waiting to get the new clear louvers. They're going to be here on Friday. After the floor is redone here, then we'll worry about what we're going to do on the wall. We're going to have cabinets, etc. for Jai's outside kitchen. Okay, this is the upstairs living space. He started doing the tile here. The new septic tank has come. I don't know why in Thailand they call it a sack. And it's obviously different than the type we use for any of you that know septic systems. Same theory, it's got the same dividing baffle, but it's made for more tight quarters. And again, this is just really kind of a secondary part of our sewer system because we're on the city sewer. So it's just for emergencies. If the city sewer floods and doesn't work, we still have sewer. So anyhow, this is going in the hole that they've been working on, they're digging out. And it'll be alongside the existing one that's already there. We had it pumped out, it's still pretty good. So there's 2 already in the ground, this is the 3rd one. The other 2 tanks you can see in between the 2 guys out there a little farther. They've got concrete caps or spacers, and they're actually a little deeper. I don't know why they put them so deep, but maybe it's because we're the old house that was here. They just reused that spot. Anyhow, they're digging more of this out. This concrete's all going to be redone, as I'd mentioned before. In Thailand, everybody calls this a sack. So when I'm talking septic tank to them, they're talking sack to me, and I'm confused. I didn't know what they were talking about. So I had to Google it, septic tank, and then show them a picture of this and ask. They said, yes, that's a sack. So for all of you Westerners that didn't know, this is a sack. They're back today installing the security screens on the front window now. That's looking really good. I like that. I'll show you more when I get it done, but you can get an idea here already. Today we have a big crew working again. Tile man, our contractor is here working on the sewer outside. We got the kitchen people working inside, installing all of our appliances. And over on this side, they're working on the outdoor kitchen, getting it ready for the new material they have coming to close off this upper portion. The security screen is all in place now. I'm very pleased with it. They did a nice job. It's nice and strong. Tell me what you think. This is the 2nd floor loft living room area. They're getting the tile down on this now. He said 5 days to do this. Looking good. They've got the transition pieces to put between the doorway and this room, from the bedroom to the loft, living room. There are 2 different levels. Same thing with my office over there. It'll be a different level. And the walk-in closet's the next door over. I think will be the same level as this floor. Chong Pun is the truck driver. It's quite the ditch. There's multiple pieces that got to go in here now.